In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about and how quickly it is to boost an existing Facebook or Instagram post using the Maybe Ads tool for boosting. Right, so the first thing you need to do is ensure that you're on your content calendar, which you can find from the top menu here. It says Content Calendar. Once here, you will see laid out in front of you all of your content. What's been posted and what you've got scheduled moving forward. Now, with the Maybe Boost function, it only works on Instagram and Facebook posts, and it uses the objective within the Ads Manager of engagement, which means it's looking to boost your existing posts for social proof, which means it's going to increase the number of likes, shares, and comments. So the first thing we need to do really is quickly filter out the Twitter posts from this view. So we're only looking at Facebook and Instagram. There we go. And then actually we have a great tool here which allows you to find your existing best posts, which means that you are only boosting the posts which are originally performing well organically, which you can turn on by tapping the best posts per day toggle there. I'm now actually going to go and take a little look back in time. There we go. So I'm looking now at the previous week, and we can see here that we've got 3 Instagram posts and 2 Facebook posts. All we need to do now is hover your mouse over the post that you would like to boost, and you will see that you have 3 options. You have boost, view post, or duplicate. So what we're going to do for this is tap the boost button there. It's going to open the boost wizard here. And again, remember, this is boosting this post for engagement. You're going to give it a quick campaign name. This is how it will display within your Ads Manager. So I'm going to call this Maybe Boosted. The audience here, this is where you will select from your custom audiences that you have created. And remember, when you connect your Ads Manager to Maybe is automatically updating, maintaining some custom audiences for you. There is a video that you can watch which tells you all about that. For this one though, I'm going to pick the Maybe Facebook Engage audience, and I'm also going to pick, because you can have more than one audience added, I'm going to also add in the similarity, the lookalike audience for the Facebook page as well. So that's your audiences selected. Next up is your location. This can be a town or a city or a country, and I'm going to select the United Kingdom. Once you have that locked in, you can then pick your Facebook pixel. Now, the Facebook pixel is a very important piece of code that sits on your website, and it's there to track the behavior of people coming from Facebook to your website. Did they view content? Did they add things to basket? Did they go on and purchase? So with this, you simply select the pixel for your account like that. And then finally, you add your budget. Now, you can add a daily budget, which means it will only spend that amount per day until you turn that ad off. Or you can add a lifetime budget, which acts a bit more like a campaign where you put in a start date and a start time and an end date and an end time. Now, I'm, for the purpose of this, going to do a daily budget. And with daily budgets, you can boost from anything from £1 a day up to whatever you would like. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to add £1 there. Now that that's ready to go, I'm going to tap confirm. That is now sending this to Facebook Ads Manager on your behalf. And there you go. It's saying the post is boosted, and you'll be able to view the results of your boosted posts within the Maybe Ads reporting tool, which will be covered in another video. You will now see that this post has gone from saying boost to being in a state of in review. That means that Facebook are reviewing the content to ensure it fits with their terms and conditions, and that status will change to boosted once Facebook has approved your ad. If you do get stuck during this process, it's very easy to get in touch with the Maybe team. Just tap on the intercom icon down here in the bottom right-hand corner, send us your message, and one of the guys will be in touch as soon as possible to help you get sorted. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.